Hello IT admins, hope you are all well. I am Amol and welcome to How It Works. Today we are talking about the classic puzzle of Microsoft Intune. You guessed it, we are talking about a security policy deployment. Do you know you can deploy the same setting in not one, not two, but three different places? Yep, I am talking about the security configuration policies, endpoint security, and third option, security baseline. You can pretty much deploy most of your security settings with these three. But the question is, which one do you use? I know every IT admin has faced this moment of confusion at some point. But don't worry, today I'm going to break it down for you and clear up the mystery. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. This is Amol, and you are watching How It Works on YouTube. In Microsoft Intune, you have a three-way to apply security policies to your devices: endpoint security policy, configuration manager policy, and the security baseline. Each of these options has a specific use case, and choosing the right one depends on your environment and the requirement. Let's start with the endpoint security. These are the specific design to strengthen the security of your devices. With the endpoint security, you have a granular control over the different security settings such as antivirus, firewall configuration, and the BitLocker encryption. You can see these policies from the endpoint security, and under the manage you will see this antivirus, disk encryption, firewall, and many more policies are there. You can choose whichever you want. These policies gives you a precise control over the security features, so you can target specific areas based on your organization needs. If you need to configure advanced security features or need a customization, endpoint security is the way to go. Let's talk about the configuration manager policy. Configuration manager, also known as ACCM, is a more comprehensive management tool that covers the wide range of configuration settings across your organization. You can open that from create a profile, basically Windows 10 and the later, and choose the template or the setting catalog. So if you select the template, you will see the different type of templates that you can use to create a security. You can manage the security and the non-security related configuration, making this option great for a large hybrid environment where you are managing both on-premises and cloud-based system. If you are already using ACCM for device management, configuration manager policy provide a seamless integration for applying the security policies across all your system. Finally, we have security baseline. Security baseline, you can open that from the endpoint security and you will see the security baseline here. Security baseline are predefined security configuration based on the Microsoft best practice. These settings are designed to help you quickly secure your device without the need for extensive customization. Microsoft provides a different baseline like a Windows Defender antivirus, BitLocker baseline policy, and the Microsoft Edge baseline policy. Security baseline are ideal if you want to apply a set of security policies that are easy to deploy and follow Microsoft recommended configuration. Now quickly I'll compare these three options side by side. On the screen you can see three policies side by side, and you can pause the video and see which one is suits for your requirement. So purpose, customization, which one is best for you. Example is already I mentioned here, and ease of deployment. All right, now we have broken it down. Let's quickly recap. Endpoint security is perfect if you want a granular control over the specific security settings. Configuration manager is the go-to for a hybrid environment and advanced management scenario. Security baseline offer an easy way to apply Microsoft recommended security settings with the minimal configuration. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your organization needs. If you want quick and easy setup, go with a security baseline. or detailed control, choose the endpoint security. And if you are managing a hybrid or large environment, configuration manager should be your go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update on Microsoft 365 and security. See you in the next video. Thank you.